Yeah, thank you all for joining the uh, my AA coach launching. And today I am going to present how we can leverage the productivity with AI. I am going to cover the how this AI will be used in our personal life and our professional life. How it will boost our what are the different activities, daily activities which we are performing daily, and how it will simplifies all those activities by using some very profound, powerful AI tools which I was used in my current life. I want to share all those things to you guys. Thank you. And about me, myself, Egna Kisheti, I'm a passion entrepreneur, and um, I completed my BTech in 2002, and this is my journey. 2002, I finished my civil engineering. After that, I started my as a civil engineer. I struggled a lot. I didn't get in much uh, appreciation when I'm doing my job, and I am unable to get my daily wages. Like it's almost 3,000 at the time, but I didn't get much opportunities when I'm a civil engineer. Then I struggled. Like in 2006, my brother got placed in one of the big software engineer. He was there as an white collar job, and I was doing the gutter job. That's why I don't have any respect at the time. That's what I triggered a point for me. I started learning new skills. Started learning the new skills, software skills, which I never, which I afraid of doing my journey when I was in civil engineering. And there I started my skills learning, and I learned Java and become a software engineer in 2002. And up to 2022, I was working as a technical lead, and lot of opportunity to travel the outside the India, and I achieved. In 2022, I got one more break. Like this Java is now always it's not giving much appreciation to my job and salary. That's where I started learning in 2022. I learning the big data and data analyst, and 2022 I become an data analyst. And then after there are a lot of new changes are coming into AI market, and that's why I learned the AI, and I want to share my knowledge to you guys. In 2024, I have become an AI coach. Thank you. This is my whole journey. And here comes my coaching, AI coaching. Why everybody is required AI coaching, and what are the different tools currently which was available. Like people are nowadays, if they want to do the job, it should be very fast. They should not wait for much more time. If you want, for example, in your case, if, your boss or someone wants to get an PPT which should be delivered within a particular time, like when they will ask only, I will give half an hour. Could you please give me and report, or could you please give me and report? For example, I'm taking a use case, which is Swiggy has launched their golden package compared to Zomato. I just want to do the comparison between these two, and show me the PPT, bring me the PPT. If someone asks within half an hour, how will go, where will go, will be getting lot of issues. Normally, my question here is like, if you want to prepare a PPT, normally how much time you guys will take? Can someone unmute and tell me how much normally you will take if you want to prepare a PPT?
3 hours at least.
Minimum 3 hours. Okay, great. What
Minimum
about
three
you,
hours.
Govindaji? Okay, Govindaji is
Yeah, more or less 3 to 4 hours because yeah, if I am a non computer non tech person, that it will take me 6 to 7 hours.
6 to 7 hours. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Basically, one of the tool which I am going to show you now, which will bring you within 7 minutes. Okay. If you see this PPT, which I prepared, now in 7 minutes back only I prepared this PPT. See here, now it's basically 8 minutes back only I started preparing this one. I just given the content and it generated me whatever is required for me. How crazy is the tool? The tool name call itself is in Gamma. The first tool which I want to introduce is a Gamma. And here
Gamma.
what? Yeah, this is the Gamma.app. It will I just started preparing this one at the 7:30, and it was ready for me for almost 7 minutes itself. It created my this presentation. How I created? I just give an example. Here, see here. In ChatGPT, I've given a prompt. Okay.
This version of ChatGPT 3.5, is this free?
Yeah. Basically, it's a free tool. We can give a prompt to this one, and based on that prompt, actually, this is my prompt. Okay. See here, the prompt is context. I want to launch myself as a AI coach who will be going to give a much value to leverage the AI in personal professional life. And these are the two tools I want to present it. This is the prompt I given to the chat GPT, and it's given me, I asked him to give the slides as well. Okay. It's given 10 slides. 10 slides and 10 different, what are the 11 different AI tools which I am going to present today. Everything it given slide by side, and it's given the each slide what is the content you need to put it. Okay. I just taken this prompt and I went to this Gamma. Okay. Let me open in the other window, Gamma.app. There are three options it will give. One, if you want to give the by giving a plain text, if you want to get it, you can get it. See here, this is the workspace. You need to give, it is a free software which you need to subscribe, and there will be some credits has been given to us. If you want to get it more credits, you need to subscribe to the other versions. Okay. Here I used an option called create new, and it will ask for created with the AI. Like if you want to do with the plain text, or if you want to just give a single prompt, or if you want to already you have an existing PPT that needs to be refined, that also you can do that. Okay. I've taken this plain text. I just pasted from this chat GPT. Okay. This prompt I pasted. I'm just explaining, like that's how I built this PPT. And once it's pasted in that Gamma, like for time being, I'm just put this only 4 or 5, or otherwise I can put everything, no problem. Okay, I just taken the chat GPT which is generated and just pasted this one. And if you want to get it, then is a document, or there are three options it will give. One is document, and another is presentation. If you want to generate a web page also, it will do. You just click on continue. There are two options it will give. If you want to get it by freedom, or if you want to get it by the card by card, you can go with the card by card. In this case, I'll let me show that one. See here, this is you are all out of all the credits. Basically, if you want to upgrade it, you can upgrade it. If you want to go for a pro, normally they will give almost 100 credits. I already consumed all the credits, and in this case, it's asking me to upgrade it now. Okay, it's asking for a 400 per month. Okay, if it is asking for our credits, what we can do is we just come up with here and change the sign up with different ID. We know that we'll get a lot of Google emails. We'll get it very easily only now. We just need to switch to sign out and use another Gmail ID, which will give us continue with Google. And basically, I logged in. That's why it's directly going to as an Yagna.Akishetty itself. If you want to change it, you can change it. Or if you don't, if you want to create another thing, you can go and sign up. You can use the other Yagna 247. Okay, this is my new mail ID. Which I'm going to use it because all our my credits are were consumed. That's why it's asking for a new mail. It will send an email. Okay. I just switched to other email. Okay. Just I want to demo like how we can generate the PPT within a minimum time. Okay. Yeah, in updates I got this updates. Your account is already exists. Okay.
Here I have a question. Excuse me, I have a question over here.
Yes, yes. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, the question is that chat GPT and artificial intelligence, everything is good, very fine. It is reducing our time. Lot of less efforts are required
Okay.
and things are being made very easily in short time. But I have a question in my mind. It comes in that does it isn't it making ourselves less what we say less the creative about like we need not have to think about anything, everything is coming up automatically, so over a period of time it becomes a habit to rely on completely on AI and chat GPT. Just a thought though that it is coming up.
Yeah, your question is perfectly fine. Basically, if basically chat GPT or whatever the Gemini and all, basically it will give whatever the input will give based on that only it will give the output. Okay, for time
Yeah,
being,
that is right.
for timing we need to get one more we need to give the prompt which we will get it in based on the prompt only it will generate the messages. Okay, that's how it's a generative AI only. It's not like an it will get it by thinking on its own. We need to give the input. Based on our input only it will act. Okay. Your question is if the AI is much more, then we won't be able to think in that way. Definitely,
Yeah,
if you start using the AI and all, for example, in our case, if you when you are old, like before generation, if you see that they used to calculate like an what numbers, whatever the calculation, they just do it in 1 second, 2 seconds.
Yeah.
In our case, what happened? We got an calculator, and we need to do for small things also. We can continue with the calculator only. But same way, the AI also will give humans to much less work, but it will leverage more potentials towards the giving them the prompt engineering and all. But we can't avoid these AI changes which are happening currently. If you are not with the current market, we are just need to be out of the market. Okay, that's how we just how much is required for us that we can leverage it and we can use it. Okay, should not go beyond that. If you go for beyond that, then it will obviously will give lot of issues. I
Yeah,
think
understood.
I answered
Since
your
each and
question.
yeah, right. Since each and everybody and each and every sector is implementing this, so to be along with the market, to be in future market also, we need to acclimatize with this AI and Chat GPT.
Correct. How much uh, how much you can leverage it? Okay, should not use it for the whatever the limits it needs to be used. Then it will give a productivity. If you see, if you think about the nuclear reactor and all, okay, if you use it as a bomb, it can be demolished everything. Okay, if you make it as an electricity producer, it will give a lot of electricity. Same way with the AI as well. Understand? Yeah.
I have heard somewhere, suppose we are posting it in Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, and if it is suppose taken from Chat GPT, Facebook realizes the algorithm. The Facebook realizes that it is been taken from Chat GPT or from some other place, and Facebook does not promote it the way it promotes original writing. Is it the case? I have heard it. I have heard it somewhere.
Yeah. Here one more point here is like when you are using the Chat GPT and all, basically it will give an idea. Okay. In my case also, I have my own idea. Like here, if you see, this is my own idea. Like I'm saying that I want to launch as a AI coach. Okay, and these are all the different tools I want to show to the people. This is my
Okay.
own idea only. It's not the idea which is not given by ChatGPT. It's giving
Okay.
him an
So
leverage like to generate and separate PPT and what are the different content I can put it like just simplifying my work to bring the presentation. That's it. Idea should be
okay.
belongs to humans only.
Okay. So this is written as you context. I want to launch myself. This has been written by you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then there is number 5, Merlin dash Chrome dash plugin.
Yeah.
This is also written by you.
Yeah, all these tools was I segregated all these tools and I given to
Okay.
the Chat GPT and it generated me a prompt how to make it as an
Understood.
step-by-step slides.
Understood. Understood. So the sequence what you have given, please
Yeah,
little bit upwards,
okay.
little bit, little bit more,
Yeah,
more, yeah, bit more.
yeah. What is your question, Navamji?
Yeah. The sequence that you have given, number 1, 2, 3, 4, this is part of any kind of programming,
No. Just
like plugin.
if I change it
Plugin
to
you have
other
mentioned. Yeah,
other
this one,
sequence
this
based
one.
on that it will generate. That's it. It's my own sequence only. If I put
Okay,
it in
understood. Now
other
that
way, it will generate the same way only.
now here you mentioned number 5, Merlin Chrome plugin.
Yes.
Now, what is this code? What does this code do? Number 5 point.
It's not code, it's a text only. Basically, these are all
Text
the
only.
different tools.
Programming language.
Yeah, it's a normal natural languages. Okay. Basically, Chat
Okay.
GPT itself is a natural languages, large language model, which will take the our input as a text, and it will give the output as a text.
Understood. So in order to, if I want to put my presentation, I have to also write in this manner only,
Yeah,
the
in
same
your
language.
case, if you want to launch, or maybe you want to launch as an a wealth coach or whatever the different coach, you need to set this context. Okay, here writing the
Okay.
prompt itself is an big task. Okay, in my case,
Understood.
I
Prompt
set the
engineering.
context. What is the
Prompt
context?
engineering.
Okay, you got it, Anupamji?
Uh,
Okay,
yeah. So
go
the
ahead.
prompt is part of engineering. Prompt is part of engineering. Prompt engineering is called.
Yes, yes. How we, if you want to communicate, like normally what we'll do in Google, we'll just directly put whatever the questions in your mind, we'll put it now. Same way, if you put it in Chat GPT, it won't understand.
Hmm.
Basically, when you need to
Yeah.
make the Chat GPT understand, you need to set the context and how it needs to be act as. There are multiple ways it will act as. Here, if you see, I'm asking Chat GPT to act as an Chief Marketing Officer, CMO. Okay, and output I am asking to generate the slides.
Hmm.
Based on this prompt only, it's giving the,
Hmm.
if you are if you give the correct prompt to the Chat GPT, based on that only it will act and it will give us results, precise results. If you want to
Understood.
get the more precise results, you need to be that much specific to the prompt. That's how there is a new job which was
Understood.
coming into market. It's called prompt engineering.
Prompt engineering, exactly. So
Okay.
ChatGPT understands this language basically.
Only the language, like an human interaction kind of thing, it will understand. Okay,
Hmm.
let me cover questions later. Let me, like, if we cover the questions itself, it will take. I want whatever I want to share. It will be.
Yeah,
I
please.
miss
Please.
I miss the chance
Thanks.
to share all those things. Thank you. Yeah, Krista, you have a question. I saw your hand up. I will discuss questions later. Okay.
Yeah, no, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you. This is how the Gamma will work. Same way, if you want to get some more presentations, there are multiple. There is tools called Slides GPT. If you put it like Slides GPT in Google, it will bring this one. And this is also one of the tool which we can give the prompt, and based on the prompt, it will generate the. See here, I want to slide a deck. Okay, here I just need to put the prompt which has been given by the Chat GPT. I'm just putting here. I just click on the deck. It will automatically generate the deck. Okay. Meanwhile, when it's generating, I will cover the other. Noted the on below slide deck. Yeah, see here how much time it will it has taken. It is automatically generating. See here, how within seconds it's generating. See that the slides GPT, slides go, enroll me, Merlin, SCF, all this has been deck has been generated within 2 minutes. Normally, like if you want to write an simple deck itself, it will take minimum 3 hours. Some people may take more than 60 hours. The average time of to generate and create a deck may be 1 day minimum. Okay, that is reduced to minutes now. Okay, this is one of the tool. If you want to create a deck, also you can use this one. The next tool which I am going to share is Yeah, slides go. This is also same, which can be used for the deck preparation only. But it is already whatever the Google themes which was there, we can based on the themes we can select the deck and we can prepare as per our requirement. Okay, these are the different 3 tools which will enable us to bring the deck which much faster than what we spend to get the deck in normally. Okay, and I am going to show you the another one which is almost 10x of your productivity. Unroll Me. Okay, Unroll Me is one of the AI tool which will enable us. See here, you just need to go for unroll.me. Here you could have subscribed to multiple emails, okay, and which was not at all used. Okay, in this case I just added my one of my Yahoo email. I will just open the, just try to get all the email subscription from here. I will open the other window, unroll.me. Anupam, you joined from other one more thing or what? Okay, fine. Yeah, see here. I just added my one of my Yahoo email. It was I never used it. Almost I used both साल का पहले. Almost I used maybe 7 years back. There are some there are subscriptions. I don't have any subscriptions in this email. Same way, if you want to add some more email boxes. Okay, it is only 10 minutes left. Okay, fine. I will try to will rejoin to the same link. Okay. I have only 10 minutes in my this one. Google, if you want to add Google or Outlook or whatever email, if you want to, and there may be multiple subscriptions you could have done, and if you want to unsubscribe all those unsubscriptions, so whatever the unnecessary subscriptions you want to unroll it, you just need to bring it here. In this case, in my Ignore Savera, there is no unsubscriptions mails are there. That's why it's not showing anything. In the other Gmail and all, there may be options. We have set up the two-factor authentication. That also it will ask us, and based on the security follow-ups only, it will bring the inbox to us here, and we can unsubscribe all those unnecessary emails which are using. Okay, this is one of the very good tool which can use it in our daily life, and what it will give us a lot of time saving and streamline our email management. All those things will be covered here. And one of the best tool which can be used in your daily thing is Merlin. Merlin is one thing which will added as part of an Chrome plugins. We just need to go to here. If you are using an Chrome, visit Chrome Web Store, and it is a short version of the ChatGPT. Okay. Yeah. Merlin. Basically, I added as part of an my Chrome, which is already there. And if you want to communicate with the particular web page, if you, for example, you are using any YouTube video, If you want to summarize that video, we just need to click on the Merlin and we'll say that could you please summarize this video. It will automatically see here. I have my Merlin here, okay, which I already installed in my thing. I just want to go for one of our wealthy Sandeep sir video. Okay, I just want to click on this chat with this video. You just summarize what is the content as part of this YouTube video. There is no need to go through the full video and all. You just click on the summarize. It will automatically summarize.
Home loan, car loan, personal loan, education loan. These are the loans you are struggling right now. Understand, it is not about the EMI or the loan you are struggling with. It is about the cash flow you are struggling with. Because once upon a time you had a great
Okay, chatting with this one. You just click on the Merlin. Okay, and we can click on the chat with this web page. Give me summary. If you click on the summary,
cash flow, the EMI.
see here. see here. See the magic here. Okay, see here. Website learners. This has been taken all the things. See here, wealth mastery. Gain the insights of financial planning. No need to go through the full video. It just bring the whatever is required for us. It will what is the content it's showing. Everything will be bring it here, and you can chat with that particular site also. Same way, if you want to go for any of the if you want to go for any of the articles, if you want to read it, it will directly interact with that particular site and it will summarize it. This is one of the great small version of ChatGPT that will enable us more potential and cover the things very smart way. Click on the Merlin. Chat with this web page. You can put it as a summary. Based on that, it will generate the summary. Okay. This is very good tool which can be boost our productivity to 10x. Okay. And I'm going to cover the sixth one, Skyhub, SCI Hub. Basically, this is one of the tool. If you want to read some of the journals, okay. If you want someone wants to read a journals which was posted by the other people, research group and all. If you want to read those journals and all, you need to pay at least minimum amount. For example, if you have any, I think I have already taken some of the journals. Let me open them. Yeah, see here. Yeah, this is these are all different journals If you want to read it, you need to buy for at least 50 USD dollar of 53 US dollars you need to pay. Let me close the other windows so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, Merlin is done, and unroll me is done. 12 FTI. Which one? Give me 1 minute. Yeah. SC hai hub. Okay. Just SC hai hub. Okay. Yep, I think it is going to stop in 1 minute. Let me reshare and you can join. Okay, I'm going to stop it now.